Okay, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Look at this 9mm. See ya, guys. See ya, guys. You want this to be in your head, motherfuckers. Shit. Okay, guys. So let's put the bullet in first for safety purpose. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to assemble back the gun lah. Gonna put it back, you know. So I'll teach you how to put it back. It's easier than taking it out, then disassemble it. First of all, we have to check, look around everything. Okay. I already put in the springs already for everything. You all know lah. I'm gonna show you again. Okay. Because if I show you also, I don't get money or anything. So for show you full detail for what, unless you give me money, then I'm mine lah. Okay. From up to down, down to up, and not yet. Face it up like that. Cock it. See that? Okay. Keep cocking because you haven't heard the metal sound yet. Okay. Keep. Okay. And then point at the same direction. Point. You see not? And then see there's a lock here. See the lock? It's a safety pin. It's a safety pin lah, basically. See, if I press cannot. But if I put a full hand finger, see? Okay. Okay, so basically we're gonna pull it out back. So since we have assembled back already, you shake again this lubrication, shake it again, and then spray a bit here, spray inside one more time. Okay, spray here. I know all these fucking masale in YouTube all gonna talk bad about me one. Bloody masale, bloody white people. Hate you white people. No, that's racist. I'm just kidding kidding only. Okay, spray it up again. Finish already. Ketepak. Point same direction. Okay. Put in the magazine. Take a cloth. You know, any cloth will do. Like put sunglasses one. Okay. Just wipe it. You know, just wipe it softly. You know. See. Okay, so I'm not done yet. Shit, it's damn oily. Okay, so what else? I think that's about it. You subscribe to my channel now. Don't forget. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. There you go. Glock 26 subcompact.